Hello, and welcome to EcoView Web by Advanced Telemetry. To get started, please log on to ecoviewweb.com/EcoViewWeb. Please type in demonstration at ecoviewweb.com as your user ID, then type in password as your password. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be brought to our welcome page. The welcome page lists the alarms for the last 7 days, as well as power levels for all field units. You will now be able to choose from our many services. First, we have our Alerts tab. The Alerts tab will allow you to view the alert history for all your accounts. You'll also be able to receive the alerts via email by selecting the Alert Settings tab, then typing in your email address here in the box, choosing which stores you'd like to receive emails from, then hit Save. Next, we have Energy Graphs. When selecting this feature, you'll be prompted to choose which store you are interested in viewing. Let's click on Ruby Tuesday University Boulevard. You can see here that we have a graph of the last 7 days for this store. You can customize and change the dates by selecting here at the top, then clicking Show Data. You can also export this information by selecting a PDF or Excel file, then hit Export. You may also choose to print if you'd like. Next, we have Reports. You must first select a report to view. Let's click on Field Unit Energy Consumption Report over the last 7 days. Here it is. As you can see, it lists the total kilowatts used over the last 7 days for each store. It also has a column for the daily average, weekly average, and monthly average. A 7 out of 7 log count means that your resource meter is working efficiently and reporting daily. Don't worry about these zeros. These stores elected to not use our resource meter. You can change the dates here at the top, as well as change the results to view in kilowatts used or dollars spent, then clicking Display Report. You can also export this information through PDF, Excel, or any other format that you're interested in viewing. And of course, you can print this information by clicking the printer. Next, we have Site Status. When choosing Site Status, you must first click on Display Complete List. This will display a complete list of all your field units. Let's choose Ruby Tuesday University Boulevard. And here's our site status, also known as our dash view. Let's start here on the left. We'll start off with the green connectivity circle. This indicates that our touch panel is online and talking to our server. Next, we have an envelope icon. This allows the user to send an email-like message to the touch panel via internet. Next, we have a notepad, which is great for multiple users. We also have the site information listed here, as well as contact information below. Next, our temperature control box. You'll see that our default thermostat is front dining. We can choose any thermostat we'd like to view, but let's stay on front dining for now. The current temperature is 76 degrees and the air conditioner is currently cooling. If we look below here, we'll see that the mode is on auto and working in conjunction with our heat set point and cool set point. Now this is very important. The reason why our air conditioner is working now is because it's trying to get our temperature to our desired cool set point of 74. Once it's reached its desired set point, you will see the air conditioner turn off and change to idle. This also is true for the heat set point. If the temperature dropped below 70 degrees, you would see the status change to heating, and it would heat up until it reached 70 degrees and then turn off. Below we have our heat limit and cool limit. This allows the internet user to set parameters for the store employees. Next, we have a high alarm and low alarm. A high alarm is set at 83 degrees. So if a particular thermostat ever reached above 83 degrees, it would send an email through EcoView Web to the respective users and let them know that a thermostat has reached above 83 degrees. Next, we have a low alarm. If a thermostat ever got below 40 degrees, it would send an email alert through EcoView Web to the user. Next, we have our energy monitoring box. This is in conjunction with our power meter that is constantly reading the kilowatt usage of this particular site. Right now it is on level 1, good. We set these thresholds here, and we have a warning, a critical, and an alarm level. If this kilowatt usage ever reached above 135 kilowatts, it would send us an instantaneous energy alarm. Next, we have our messaging feature. This will allow the user to send messages to one or multiple stores. First, we have our message history. This allows the user to view messages sent to all the touch panels. When clicking Create Send a Message, you'll be prompted to choose which stores you are interested in sending the message to. You can choose one or all stores. Simply type in the message you'd like to send, then hit Send. Next, we have our refrigeration sensor. This feature allows our users to view the temperatures of their refrigeration coolers in real time. Simply click on the store that is using the refrigeration sensors, and here it is. You can see that the walk-in cooler is currently at 42 degrees. We have a high temperature alarm set at 55 degrees and a low temperature alarm set at 30 degrees. The temperature has not changed in the last 1 hour and 11 minutes. You can click on the history link here to see a temperature history over the last 24 hours. You may also scroll to the bottom of the page and add your email address in the box here so that you may receive email alerts for the refrigeration sensors. Next, we have our support features. We have a frequently asked questions tab as well as a report a problem feature. And last, we have a review feature. This allows you to review all the tickets that have been created for your account. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for choosing EcoView.